Hi everyone. First of all, thanks to all of you who gave me a lot of support and love. In a very short period of time, we gained 10,000 subscribers. It's due to all of you, and you're truly my family. My aim to motivate all of you will continue. Ladies and gentlemen, personality is the silent introduction you give before your mouth even opens. It is the first impression. In daily life, it reflects through the way you treat the waiter at a restaurant, the way you react when things don't go your way, the way you smile at strangers, and the way you carry yourself in moments of success and in times of failure. A strong, positive personality can brighten a room, while a negative one can leave even the brightest places feeling dull. My name is Muniba Mazari, and I am motivational speaker. If you like this content, then you can appreciate me by like, subscribe, and comments. Now, move on the topic. Before you even speak a single word, before you explain who you are, before you tell your story, your personality has already introduced you. It walks into every room before you do. It speaks through your energy, your posture, your smile, your silence. Sometimes, without realizing it, we make people feel welcomed, loved, respected. And sometimes, without meaning to, we make them feel judged, ignored, unwanted. That is the power of personality. It is louder than your voice and stronger than your appearance. Many people think that success or relationships depend only on talent, looks, or how much you know. But the truth is deeper. The first thing people notice about you is not your qualifications, not your wealth, not your outer beauty. It's your presence, your vibe, your attitude. You cannot hide it with expensive clothes or sweet words. Because what is inside always finds a way to come out. People forget what you say, they forget what you wear, but they never forget how you made them feel. When your personality is warm, people feel safe around you. When your personality is genuine, people feel valued around you. You don't have to work hard to impress anyone. You just have to show your real heart. You just have to be kind without a reason, respectful without a reward, loving without conditions. And trust me, this silent language will open more doors than any diploma or any polished speech ever can. There is a certain magic in people who don't rush to talk about themselves, but are quick to listen. There is a beauty in people who don't try to outshine others, but are happy to let others shine. Such people are remembered, admired, and loved. Their personality becomes a soft shelter for those who are tired of fake smiles and empty words. Sometimes life will test you. It will throw disrespect at you. It will give you reasons to become bitter, rude, or selfish. But those who remember the value of their personality, they stay rooted. They choose calmness over anger. They choose kindness over revenge. They choose to keep shining even when the world tries to dim their light. And that choice every day polishes their character, making it more beautiful, more powerful, more unforgettable. Think of a garden full of beautiful flowers. Each flower is different. Some are tall, some small, some colorful, some plain, yet each one adds to the beauty of the garden. Your personality is your flower. It does not need to copy others. It does not need to fight for attention. It just needs to grow in its own grace. And when you do that, people are naturally drawn to you. Not because you shouted the loudest, but because you stayed true to yourself. There will always be people richer than you, more talented than you, more famous than you, but very few will have the richness of a pure heart, the talent of true kindness, and the fame of being genuinely loved. And those qualities come from personality, not profession. That is why it's so important to work on who you are inside, not just what you achieve outside. At the end of the day, you will not be remembered by your awards or your possessions. You will be remembered by your energy, by your presence, by the way you made people feel, lighter, happier, stronger, even if it was just for a moment. And that is something no money can buy, no title can give. It is a gift you build slowly and silently through the choices you make every day. Let your personality speak in a way that even in your silence, people can hear your goodness. Let it speak so powerfully that even after you leave the room, your spirit stays behind, lighting it up with kindness, strength, and hope. The truth is, your personality is not just about how you behave in public. It is about how you carry yourself in your daily life. In the smallest, quietest moments, it is how you greet a stranger, how you treat a waiter, how you react when things don't go your way. It is how you act when no one is watching and when everyone is. Your daily life is like a mirror, constantly reflecting the true shape of your character. Many people spend time decorating their outer world but forget their inner world. They wear expensive clothes but carry an impatient attitude. They drive luxury cars but cannot offer a genuine smile. They speak fancy words but their hearts are cold. And yet, they wonder why they feel disconnected, why relationships don't last, why happiness seems so far away. It is not life that is missing something. It is personality that is missing soul. Every morning when you wake up, you get a chance to decide who you will be that day. Not who you will pretend to be. Not who society expects you to be, but who you really are. Deep down, will you be patient when the day brings troubles? Will you be kind when the world is cruel? Will you be honest when lies seem easier? These choices, small but powerful, build your personality brick by brick. When your personality is strong, you do not need to announce it. It speaks for you. When you are respectful in small situations, you are building a giant mountain of trust. When you show empathy even when you are tired, you are painting a masterpiece of humanity. These little acts, these small decisions become habits, and habits over time become your character. Imagine walking into a room where someone is so calm, so positive, that just sitting near them makes you feel better. That is the power of a strong personality. It is not about being perfect, it is about being real. It is about being someone who, even after facing the storms of life, chooses to smile, to love, and to lift others. You don't have to be loud to be noticed. You don't have to be famous to be remembered. You just have to be sincere in your daily actions. Smile even when no one smiles back. Help even when no one is watching. Be polite even when others are rude. This is not weakness. This is the strength that most people never understand, and this strength silently transforms your life. Sometimes we wait for big moments to show our greatness, a promotion, a competition, a grand speech, but life is not made up of big moments. It is made of millions of small ones, and each one is an opportunity to grow, to shine, to become a better human being. Your real success starts not in the spotlight, but in your daily life, in your kitchen, in your office, in your home, in your streets. If you want respect, start by respecting. If you want love, start by loving. If you want kindness, start by being kind. What you give, you eventually receive. Maybe not immediately, maybe not visibly, but life always finds a way to return what you send out. The way you live your ordinary days decides how extraordinary your life becomes, not because you shouted louder, but because you loved deeper. Not because you stood taller, but because you stood kinder. That is what makes personality powerful. Not the noise you make, but the peace you leave behind. Let your personality become your silent success. Let your daily life be the soft yet powerful proof of the greatness inside you. A strong personality is not just a gift for yourself. It is a light you carry into the world. It is the invisible force that lifts people when they are falling. It is a silent hand that calms chaos without making noise. When you work on your personality, you are not just changing your own life. You are impacting the lives of everyone you meet, even if you never realize it. Think about the last time you met someone who made you feel understood without saying much. Someone whose eyes listened when their mouth stayed silent. Someone whose presence alone felt like comfort. That is not luck. That is the result of a personality built with kindness, patience, and wisdom over time. A strong personality teaches without preaching. It heals without forcing. It inspires without demanding. It shows people a better way by simply living it. Every time you act with honesty, someone learns to trust again. Every time you forgive, someone believes in second chances again. Every time you stay calm in anger, someone sees the value of peace. Society is not made up of systems. It is made up of people. And when those people work on their inner selves, society changes automatically. When people become better listeners, homes become warmer. When they become more understanding, friendships last longer. When they become more patient, communities grow stronger. You may not control the world's problems, but you can control how much kindness you add to it. Sometimes we wait for someone else to fix things, someone else to make the world a better place. But real change does not come from heroes wearing capes. It comes from everyday people choosing to be better human beings in their ordinary lives. Every day you have a choice. You can add anger, bitterness, and noise to the world, or you can add compassion, understanding, and hope. A personality full of love and respect is like a garden in the middle of a desert. It attracts life. It creates beauty. It brings peace where there was only emptiness. People remember how you made them feel long after they forget what you said or did. And when you leave this world, you leave behind not just memories, but a legacy of the heart. You might think you are too small to make a difference, but a single candle can light up a dark room. A single drop can start a ripple across the ocean. One act of kindness can inspire hundreds. One moment of patience can save a relationship. One honest conversation can heal a broken heart. That is the unseen power of a beautiful personality. Working on yourself is the greatest gift you can give to the world, not just for your happiness, but for the happiness of those you touch. You might never hear the words, but someone will smile because of you. Someone will sleep in peace because of you. Someone will believe in good people again because of you. Never underestimate the impact you are creating every day simply by choosing to be better, to be wiser, to be more loving. Your growth is not selfish. It is the hope of a better tomorrow. Your strength is not just for you. It is the pillar that holds someone else's dreams steady. Your kindness is not small. It is the thread that keeps humanity stitched together. So work on your personality not just for success, not just for recognition, but because the world needs more beautiful souls who shine from within. Every day you build a better you are silently building a better world. Your personality reflects your values more than anything else. It is not just the way you behave in front of others, but the quiet truth of who you are when no one is watching. It is not in the fancy words you say, but in the actions you take when you are all alone. People can sense whether you are real, whether your kindness is genuine, or whether your patience comes from a place of understanding or frustration. Your personality carries the weight of what you truly believe, and this is felt by everyone around you. Think about it. Have you ever met someone who seemed to be saying all the right things, but something just didn't feel right? Perhaps their smile didn't reach their eyes, or their words didn't match their actions. There is power in being authentic, and authenticity comes from the values you hold deep inside. If you value honesty, it will show in the way you speak, the way you act, and the way you build trust. If you value kindness, it will be seen in every little gesture, every decision, and every moment when you choose to make someone else's day brighter. The way you live your life, how you respond to challenges, how you treat others, how you express yourself, reflects your values more than anything. When you value respect, you don't wait for people to earn it, you give it freely. Because you understand that respect is not something that should be withheld. When you value humility, you don't need to boast or seek validation. You carry your achievements with grace and let your actions speak louder than your words. Values are not just words you say to make yourself sound good. They are the silent force behind everything you do. They guide your decisions, shape your character, and influence how you affect the world around you. Every time you act from a place of love, honesty, and respect, you are reinforcing those values within yourself. And the more you do this, the more they become a part of your personality, and the more your personality becomes a reflection of the person you truly are inside. People can see through pretensions. They can feel the difference between someone who is pretending to care and someone who truly does. And it is the people who genuinely live by their values that leave the biggest impact. When you make kindness a part of your personality, when you make integrity part of your DNA, others feel it and they trust you, they feel safe around you, they know that when you speak, it comes from a place of truth. They know that when you act, it is with respect. In every situation you find yourself in, your personality will reflect your values. It will show in how you treat the person who can do nothing for you, how you act when no one is around to see, how you respond when you are tested, when the world seems unfair. Your values are your compass, guiding your behavior in every situation, and this is what makes your personality so impactful. When you take the time to reflect on what matters most to you, when you take time to cultivate those values in your everyday life, you are strengthening not just your character, but your ability to positively influence the world. People will not just see your outward behavior, they will feel the strength of your beliefs. And this is the most powerful way to build your personality, by living in alignment with your core values. It's important to understand that personality is not just about being liked or accepted. It is about being real. And being real means showing up as a person who reflects the values you believe in. It's about standing firm in your truth, even when it is difficult, even when it is unpopular. Because when you live by your values, you set an example for others to do the same. And that is how you change not just your own life, but the world around you. Your values define who you are. They shape the way you see the world, the way you treat others, and the way you respond to challenges. And as your values grow stronger, your personality becomes a shining example of what it means to live with integrity, kindness, and authenticity. A strong personality is like armor, protecting you from the storms of life. It shields you when everything around you is falling apart. It steadies you when the world seems to be in chaos. A strong personality doesn't just survive challenges, it thrives in them. It doesn't break under pressure, it bends and grows. It doesn't run away from difficult situations, it faces them with courage and grace. Life is full of challenges, some small, some big. You'll face disappointments. You'll experience failure. You'll meet people who doubt you, people who challenge your every move. And sometimes life will feel like an endless fight. But in those moments, the strength of your personality becomes your most valuable tool. It is what will keep you going when everything seems to be pushing you down. It is what will remind you to stay true to your values, to keep moving forward, and to never lose hope, no matter how hard things get. The beauty of a strong personality is that it doesn't depend on the circumstances. It doesn't rely on how much you have or how little. It doesn't depend on the support you receive or the love you get. It comes from deep inside you. It is the inner strength that tells you that no matter how hard life gets, you will get back up. No matter how many times you fall, you will rise again. And you will rise stronger than before. A person with a strong personality doesn't let the opinions of others dictate their actions. They don't bend to the pressure of society's expectation. They don't allow failure to define them. They know that setbacks are simply stepping stones to success. They know that challenges are opportunities in disguise. And this mindset is what helps them turn struggles into triumphs. When life gets difficult, a strong personality knows how to stay calm, how to find peace in the midst of chaos. Instead of reacting with anger or frustration, they react with patience and understanding. Instead of giving up, they find a way to keep moving forward. They understand that struggles are part of life, but they are not the end of the road. A strong personality doesn't just survive the storm, it dances in the rain. Think of a tree standing tall in the middle of a storm. The winds may blow, the rain may pour, but the tree does not fall. It bends with the wind but does not break. That is what a strong personality does. It adapts to the situation without losing its core. It faces life's challenges head-on with a steady heart and an unshakable belief in itself. Strength doesn't come from avoiding hardship. It comes from how you deal with it. It is in those moments of struggle when your true character is tested. Do you crumble or do you rise? Do you give up or do you keep going? Your personality, your inner strength will determine your ability to handle life's challenges. And when you choose to stand firm, when you choose to stay positive, when you choose to stay true to yourself, that is when you truly shine. A strong personality doesn't seek approval from others because it is rooted in self-belief. It doesn't need validation from outside sources because it is already whole. It knows that it has everything it needs to succeed within itself. And that is where true power lies.